In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add EAFC 24 to Steam. This is a simple way to keep all your games in one place and use Steam features like the overlay and your preferred controller layout while playing. Before you begin, make sure EAFC 24 is already installed on your PC and that you can open Steam. Start by launching the Steam application. If you aren't already signed in, log in on the upper right so Steam can save your library changes. Once you're in, look toward the top of the interface and switch to the Library tab. This is where all of your games and shortcuts live, including any non-Steam games you add. Now, move your attention to the lower left corner of the Steam window. You'll see an option labeled Add a Game. Click that, and in the menu that appears, choose Add a non-Steam game. This tells Steam you want to create a shortcut in your library to an executable that lives on your computer even though it wasn't purchased through Steam. A small window will pop up listing programs Steam detects automatically. If you don't immediately see EAFC 24 in that list, click Browse to open a File Explorer window. Here, you'll point Steam directly to the game's executable file. Most installs place EAFC 24 inside your main program files directory. Common locations include program files, then an EA folder like EA Games or EA Sports FC 24. If you installed the game on a different drive, navigate to that drive and look for a similar folder structure there. You're looking for the executable file, typically named something like fc24.exe, or you can choose the game's launcher executable if that's what your setup uses. Once you've found the correct .exe, select it and confirm. Back in the Steam window, click Add Selected Programs. Steam will create a shortcut in your library instantly. You should now see EAFC 24 listed alongside your other games. From here, you can launch it directly by clicking play, just like any other title. If you'd like to personalize it, right-click the entry to set a custom icon or artwork so it looks clean in your collection. And if the game doesn't start as expected, double-check that the shortcut points to the correct .exe file and that the game is installed in the location you navigated to. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.